And we are helping you keep on top of that germy back-to-school gear before school starts. Kim Dunn from Molly May joins us with helpful hints, and I always learn something when you're on the show.
Good, that's what I'm here for.
Yes.
That is what I'm here for.
Okay, let's start off with those lunch bags.
Okay, so sometimes lunch bags will come with directions on how to clean them. Usually you can put them in a delicate cycle and air dry. If they don't have anything, be safe. So once you get stains in them, it's really hard to get them out.
It's really tough to get them out.
Yeah, and you can use this method that we're going to do with the baking soda. You can use it on the material part or the inside.
Okay.
So you can see we have an unknown stain. We don't know what it is. So what we're going to do is we're just going to make a little bit of a paste up. So all you want is a smat of water in there, because again, you want
baking soda.
Baking soda and plain water. And then what you want to do is you want to take an old toothbrush and you want to start scrubbing it.
Can we just, show there. There we go.
You can see, where's the stain? There we go. You can see the stain is coming out. Baking soda is a wonderful stain remover. It's also a deodorizer, which
so
is
it's great.
Wonderful. So
and then
once
you would just wipe that out?
Yeah, once you wipe it out, what you can do too is on Fridays, after you take the lunches out, is sprinkle a little bit of baking soda into the lunch bag, close it up. It's going to absorb any odors in there, and then it's ready.
Great idea.
Ready on Sunday to pack back up for Monday lunch.
Okay.
Speaking of lunch boxes,
yes,
love this hack.
This is instead of like a little ice pack, these are sponges.
They're frozen sponges. So yeah, sometimes those ice packs can get gooey. Sometimes they're too big. So what you do is you take your sponge, and if you want smaller pieces, simply cut the sponge.
Okay.
Not a problem. Take your handy dandy baggie, throw a little bit of water in there. What you want to do is make sure that the sponge is absorbing all the water up.
Okay.
You're going to throw it in the freezer.
And that's it.
And then, as it thaws throughout the day, they can actually use these to clean their hands or their desk. But it's brilliant.
Great idea. Great
Water
idea.
bottles get pretty gungy. They really do need to be cleaned properly. So a great way.
And how often?
Well, every day.
Oh, okay. Well, I don't remember the last time I cleaned my water bottle. Like I clean the lip of it because it's always got lipstick on it, but
yeah, no, they do. They get gungy. So what you want to do is take about 2 tablespoons of vinegar into the water bottle, and then you want to take about a cup of water. There we go. Scrub brush.
Yep.
Great tool.
Very handy.
Yeah, and this is going to get
into... Because shaking stuff isn't going to work all the time.
No, especially in the corners and up around the edges.
Okay.
Now, something else people tend to forget, you just said you do it, but people do forget to do this. Some of the lids will actually come apart and make it easy to clean. You can take your scrub brush and give this a really good clean out. This is where the germs are.
Okay, we've got a couple minutes, so cleaning the laptop.
Next, laptop. Okay, everybody's got a laptop. The kids are eating their snacks, they're doing everything. What we want to do is use a microfiber cloth to clean the screens. Do not use anything wet or damp, or you risk ruining your screen. If you feel that you need a cleaner, you can buy a dedicated screen cleaner. Okay? Get those crumbs out. What can't be shaken off can be sprayed off.
There we go.
Yeah, works beautifully. Little hint, so you don't lose your little piece here, is just put in the elastic, and there you go.
Okay, shoes, a big thing. Some running shoes can go in the washing machine, but if they can't?
If they can't, what you want to do is take your scrub brush, get rid of all the dirt that's in them, and then next you're going to make up a solution of hot water and a little bit of dish soap.
Okay,
now you want to take another toothbrush. We have a lot of labeled toothbrushes in our house.
Don't use them
And
again.
you want to do on the material part or the canvas part.
Okay.
You can do it on leather as well, and you're going to give that a really good scrub out.
Okay, and then I'm just rushing for time here because I want to get to this last one.
What we do for the sole part is you're going to take your magic eraser
and do that.
Give it a dry. And then stuff it with a little bit of paper
for form.
That'll keep the shape of the shoe. Okay,
20 more seconds. Come with me.
All right, closets.
Yes, clean them out first.
Start cleaning out before you go shopping. You want 3 bins. You got your donate bin, you got your material recycling, and you got your cute bin.
And we are done. As we let's decide what to do. We'll get your links up on our website as we finish cleaning up here. Okay, this is a keep.
That's a keep.
Oh, it's so cute.